Yeah, thank you very much, Antje, for introducing me. And I really like to, I'm curious, I'm excited to welcome you to the first session in this symposium, which is entitled Design Research in Urban Landscapes. And we had a little discussion with our young research, actually, pre-symposium. We somehow also figured out that this endeavor of getting a grip of design research in urban landscape is probably involving a sort of collective commitment to articulate what that really is, and not only doing this while giving a lot of speeches, but also immersing ourselves into medias res, which means that the knowledge we all have as designers, which is intuitive, very often tacit, is probably spelled out, spoken out, but without losing this experimental dimension that resides in design. So the first session is involving formats that are very common to us, I think. It's 3 lectures, and then we engage in a panel discussion. But this room is shaped also in a way that we could imagine it is a circle, so we would like to involve all of you. It's not a frontal thing. The 3 keynote speeches are held by, first, Martin Prominski, and he will elaborate on the state of art and the framework of design research in landscape architecture. We'll then listen to Hille von Seggern on the studio urban landscape's particular approach within this field and how to entangle research and practice. And thirdly, we will listen to Sabine Kunst on the importance of such new research forms for policymaking. After these 3 lectures, we will engage in a panel discussion, and we invite 2 of our international guests, namely Sander Lenzholzer and Peter Feenstra, who will offer their comments from their particular points of view as designers and researchers in an international context. I'd like to start to introduce Martin to you, who will give the first keynote speech entitled Urban Landscapes and Research Through Design. Martin Prominski has been a professor of design of urban landscapes here at Leibniz University in Hanover since 2009. He studied landscape planning at the Technical University in Berlin and received a master's in landscape architecture from Harvard University, the Graduate School of Design. Martin holds a PhD from the Technical University of Berlin, which was also published as a book entitled in German Landschaft entwerfen, Designing Landscapes. From 2003 to 2008, he was assistant professor in theory of contemporary landscape architecture, again here at Leibniz University in Hanover. And he also dedicated a good part of his career to publishing. He namely was founding the Journal of Landscape Architecture, JOLA, an academic journal, in 2006. And he continued on this job as an editor for 4 years, until 2010. His current research focuses on theoretical issues of design, landscape and ecology, the design of renewable energy landscapes, and process-oriented strategies in landscape architecture. Martin has been a member of the Studio URBANE Landschaften since 2008. I will pass the word over to you, Martin.